Yummy cheese. Flour tortillas.
Happy birthday! You grab your taco.
Cheers.
Do you want to hold? Who made? Did you make that?
No, I didn't make it. That looks awesome.
I bet you could do that.
Wait.
There's just a dog.
Tony. You're all tangled up, bro.
Is that a wedgie?
You're all tangled up.
I saw some water around here. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. So I got up in the shower. Like, Jerry, it's taco time. Where are you? Yeah. Promise. I know. Shoot. This is brisket. Rob made it.
So sophisticated.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
So like your
Oh my god!
Oh, what is that? It's a hop thing. It's something you hop on.
I've been wanting this for years and years.
It's a pogo hopper. Lovely little you.
Whoa, that's so cute! Fuzzy shirt. So now I know she likes LOL.
Yeah.
Oh, Kitty!
Okay, you're very old.
I was like that. I was wanting this.
Oh, that's awesome. Cute.
Okay, Maxie. Oh my god.
Wow.
Maxie. Oh my goodness.
Color reveal Barbie, sis.
Evelyn.
Awesome.
It's a taco.
Oh.
That's cool.
Wow, Uncle Scott. What's happening?
You and Maxie, right?
You're welcome, kiddo.
I mean, the pet shop. Okay. Whoa, Evelyn. It's Moana. It's like you read her mind. there. Oh boy! Oh boy!
Did you get a kitty card?
It's a kitty!
Oh my.
Evelyn.
Oh, thanks for coming, guys.
Evelyn, you should open that one again.
We're about to lose little parts. So.
Thank you everyone for all my gifts. Thank you everyone for my presents. Oh, this one. Let's open this one. That's win. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Evelyn. Happy birthday to you. All right. Good job. Happy birthday. You put it right here. Okay. Throw these away. No, you're gonna keep them right here for now, okay? Okay. Now let's eat the cake.
You can choose if you want a slice of cake. I can get you one of those, or you can have a cupcake. They were like, well, you had this whole cake and you want a cupcake, huh?
She wants both. She wants both. Blueberry. Oh, okay.
Good.
Okay. My mommy's the lava monster.
Hi. Hi, cutie. Ready? Go down the slide.
I know what we can play.
Ready?
I think we're like all
Go.
Nobody knows what's happening. Woo! Pinata! Pinata! Pinata!
Single file line.
Pinata! Wait! God! Pinata!
Woo! Go, Evelyn. Go, Evelyn. Woo! There it is. Maddie, did you have fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part about the party?
Getting candy.
Getting candy from the piñata. I'm coming to get you. Ah!
With my
Moana, make way, make way.
oh my.
Groovorama. Let me see your girl you got.
This is the girls.
Oh, she's so cool. Look at her. She kind of looks like Madonna or something. She's very like 80s.
Mommy, can you help me open her because
I'll help you, yeah.
taco. I need to sky. Is up your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Yum 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 yum. Actually, my dream was tacos. Actually, my party was my dream. Actually, my party was my dream.
Your party was a dream? A dream come true?
Mhm.
Oh, did you have a fun party?
Mhm.
Did you say thank you everyone for coming to my
Thank
party?
you everyone to my party.